Never let a princess paint with her unicorn. I'm not sure if you noticed my dazzling crown, but I'm a princess. And I do pretty much everything with my pet unicorn. So when I heard, never let a princess paint with her unicorn, I was shocked. Why would anyone say such a thing? My unicorn and I play great together. Why couldn't we paint? If I just put a little paint on a brush to test this theory out, what could possibly go wrong? Well, I'll tell you. She licked it. Ew. Maybe that's why people think princesses shouldn't paint with their unicorns. Because unicorns will try to lick up all the paint. Then I had an idea. If I started to paint, she would see how much fun it was and would want to paint too. So, I lined up all my paint cans and reminded her, we do not lick paint. But just as I started to paint, she turned around. Why didn't she want to paint with me? Turns out, she just had a different way of painting. Every time she dunked her tail into the paint, it splashed more and more. What a mess! I yelled. Soon, my dress was drenched in paint. But we were having so much fun. I just had to see what would happen when paint touched her horn. Within seconds, sparkling splatters were raining everywhere. Then I heard a noise down the hall. I was going to be in so much trouble. I peeked my head out the door so my mom couldn't see my dress. And I tried to explain. But before I could say anything, my eyes welled up with tears. It was no use making excuses. I'm so sorry for ruining my new dress. My mom smiled. Why are you apologizing? I was hoping you would wait until your birthday. But I can see you found your new rainbow unicorn princess dress. I looked around the room, and there was no paint to be found. Not on the ceiling, not on the walls. Then I looked down at my dress. It was the most stunning dress I had ever seen. It's hard to tell exactly why people say a princess shouldn't paint with her unicorn. Maybe it's because it gets too messy, or maybe they think unicorns can't paint. All I know is that sometimes it takes a little mess to create a magnificent masterpiece. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this magical unicorn story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun bedtime stories, princess adventures, and magical read-alouds. The end!